Hey everyone out there, it's Rick here, and today I'm doing a video of my Sears-Emerson turn of the century ceiling fan. It's a 52-inch model, probably from around 1982, 1983, and it's a Emerson K55 motor, and this ceiling fan would originally been sold in a Sears, and the light kit is original. These were common on Sears-Emerson ceiling fans in the early 80s especially. The shades are not original though, they're just some extra ones I had. And then the fan's in pretty good shape. It's got all four of the blades intact. They're all in really good shape except for one that's slightly warped, but it's not too bad. It doesn't really wobble, so I mean, it must not be that bad. It's a nice fan. It's white with kind of like brass accents. You can see it's got the ornate sideband, and then the light kit is antique brass. I'm not really sure if the sideband's antique brass. It's like almost in between polished brass and antique brass. But it's a nice fan. I really like it. It's a 3-speed model. And I think it's one of the earlier turn of the century since it's got like the Emerson flywheel. So I know the later ones kind of resembled 1895s. But anyway, the fan works really well. Occasionally it trips the GFI outlet over there, but it's usually just when I'm changing speeds. It's probably just because it sees the jump in current when I change the fan speed, but normally it works just fine. So, alright, we'll fire it up. Here's the light first. It's got 3 CFLs in it, like kind of look like regular light bulbs, but they're actually fluorescent. Alright, I'll turn it on low. Actually, let's go with high speed first. It's a pretty powerful fan. Switch housing rattles a little bit between the flywheel. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but bearings seem pretty good. It's got maybe a slight wobble, but it's not really noticeable. It's mostly just the switch housing. Okay, let's go medium speed. Sometimes those curtains will hit the blades a little, but usually it only does it on high. Got a pretty slow medium. Well, I guess it's 52-inch fans, heavy blades. Motor's pretty quiet. Alright, and let's go low speed. I really like the low speed. I use it mostly on low. It's kind of like restaurant style. Yeah, and it really does push some air even on low, surprisingly. I mean, it's not going very fast at all, but you can still feel it. It's a pretty big fan, I mean, compared to the 42-inch ones I usually put out here. So, alright, and I guess I'll just turn it off. It does have a reverse switch. It's actually on the top of the motor housing. I don't know if you can see that. The reverse speeds work too, but I'm not going to bother showing those. It's the same thing basically. So anyway, thanks for watching, and there'll be more fan videos to come. Bye-bye.